Is the euro rising too high or too fast? Is this one of the main problems that the ECB will have?
I think the main problem of the ECB is the inflation. And the exchange rate is one of the elements that can push inflation a bit lower for the time being. But I would say usually the exchange rate is just one part of the picture. It has been mediatized very much recently because of relatively rapid movements, which complicates, of course, very much the task of the ECB. So that will be indeed one of the focus of today's meeting.
But should they do something about it?
Well, I think, one has to be very careful because one part of the exchange rate, the euro appreciation, is related to the fundamentals. What you see in Europe, for example, after the recovery fund decision by the European Union, you had an appreciation of the euro, and the reaction was quite, positive in the sense that markets believed that it was, a very good thing for the monetary union sustainability. So that's the positive part. On the other hand, I think what complicates really the situation today is the Fed, strategic decision, the strategic review, which puts a little bit the ECB under pressure to speed up its strategic thinking, because they promised to do it, in the course by the end of this year, and it will be prolonged, part of next year. I think that what happened in the US is putting some downwards pressure on the euro, to which the ECB has to react in some way. And basically the reaction, I think, it would be to communicate that the strategic review will be, to some extent accelerated.